Welcome to the stock analysis of International Gemological Institute India Limited. In this video, we'll cover its industry outlook, business segments, financials, management, and growth prospects. Click on the info button to check out our other stock analyses. Let's get started. Before we begin, a quick introduction to PA Wealth. We're an investment services group offering stocks, PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. We upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics every week. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest market trends and potential multi-bagger stocks. Now, let's start with an overview of International Gemological Institute India Limited. IGI began its operations in Belgium in 1975 with the establishment of IGI Belgium. Later, in 1999, IGI India was founded in Mumbai, becoming the first among its global peers to offer certification and accreditation services. As the region's first international laboratory for diamonds, studded jewelry, and colored stones certification, the company has created strong client connections by focusing on service quality and a diverse range of goods. As an independent provider, it is a member of the International Gemological Institute Group and is solely responsible for the IGI brand in India and Turkey. Let's look at the IGI's proposed acquisition and new holding structure. Currently, IGI India, IGI Belgium, and IGI Netherlands are owned by the promoter, BCP Asia 2 Top Company Private Limited. IGI Belgium and IGI Netherlands manage operations outside India and Turkey, while IGI India operates within those regions. As part of a restructuring, IGI India plans to use part of the net proceeds to acquire full ownership of IGI Belgium and IGI Netherlands. After completion of the proposed acquisitions, the IGI Belgium Group and the IGI Netherlands Group are proposed to be held entirely by IGI India, and accordingly IGI India will be responsible for operation of the IGI business globally. Let's take a quick look at IGI's industry overview. First, the global jewelry market. In 2023, the global jewelry market was valued at 26,600 billion rupees. Since 2020, China, India, and the USA have been the top consumer markets. The industry has seen a strong recovery, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 9%. However, looking at the longer-term trend from 2019, the growth rate has been more modest, with a compound annual growth rate of just 1%. Between 2020 and 2023, the gold jewelry segment grew at a strong CAGR of 18%, while diamond-studded jewelry expanded at a CAGR of 12%. Together, these two categories account for 74% of the global market. Second, the Indian jewelry market. In 2023, the Indian jewelry market was valued at 5,300 billion rupees. It had dropped by 28% to 3,400 billion rupees in 2020 due to COVID-19 lockdowns and postponed weddings, but recovered steadily with a 16% annual growth rate. Gold dominated the market in 2019 with an 87% share but declined to 82% in 2023 as other categories gained popularity. Diamond-studded jewelry, the second largest segment, grew from 7% of the market in 2019 to 15% in 2023. By 2028, gold's share in the jewelry market is likely to decline to 70 to 75%, as demand for diamonds, platinum, and lab-grown gems continues to rise. Third, the diamond mining. Rough diamond mining depends on available reserves, with production growing at about 1% annually from 2010 to 2023. By 2028, output is projected to reach 105 to 120 million carats. In 2022, Russia, Botswana, and Canada accounted for 68% of natural diamond production, with 35% coming from Russia alone. However, international sanctions related to the Russia-Ukraine war could potentially disrupt the global supply of natural diamonds. Lastly, the organized versus unorganized market. In 2023, the organized market represented about 35% of India's jewelry market, while local jewelers and goldsmiths dominated the remaining 65%. This is significantly lower compared to China and the USA, where organized players control 60% and 80% of the jewelry market, respectively. Let's break down the business and services of International Gemological Institute India Limited. The company operates across two main business segments and offers services in four key areas. First, certification business. The company certifies natural and lab-grown diamonds, studded jewelry, and colored stones by utilizing advanced technologies like spectrometers and microscopes. Moreover, it follows strict grading standards based on the 4Cs, carat, color, clarity, and cut, along with additional evaluations like fluorescence and symmetry. As a result, certification reports provide detailed assessments, graphical representations, and laser inscriptions, ensuring transparency and added value for customers. Second, laboratories-based services. IGI also offers digital solutions via its website and API, allowing customers to access grading reports through QR codes and track submission status. It invests in gemological research to enhance its services. Now, let's look at the services. In diamond grading, IGI evaluates the 4Cs for both natural and lab-grown diamonds. It also provides screening and sorting services. For colored stones, IGI assesses the quality and authenticity of rubies, sapphires, emeralds, and other precious and semi-precious stones. In finished jewelry grading, IGI evaluates the quality of diamonds, colored stones, craftsmanship, and overall value. Finally, through its IGI schools of gemology, IGI offers educational programs in gemology, diamond grading, and jewelry design, supporting demand for its certification services. Let's look at the geographical locations of IGI's branches as of September 30, 2024. IGI operates 31 branches with laboratories across 10 countries, including key markets like India, Belgium, the USA, Thailand, the UAE, Hong Kong, and China. This global network enables IGI to serve customers worldwide, providing timely and accessible certification services. Let's now break down the company's revenue segments 2024. Lab-grown diamonds are the largest contributor, making up 51.66% of the total revenue. Natural diamonds account for 17.90% of the revenue. Studded jewelry and colored stones contribute 27.27%. And finally, the education segment makes up 2.40% of the total revenue. Let's review the company's financial performance over the years. Over the past 4 years, the company's revenue has grown at an impressive CAGR of 21.13%, rising from 364.81 crore rupees in calendar year 2021 to 785.42 crore rupees in calendar year 2024. Following this growth, the company's PAT has also increased significantly, from 177.01 crore rupees in calendar year 2021 to 439.25 crore rupees in calendar year 2024, at a remarkable CAGR of 25.51%. Let's now turn to the management commentaries to better understand the company's performance. IGI was the world's second largest independent certification provider for diamonds, studded jewelry, and colored stones in 2023, with a 33% global market share. It led the fast-growing lab-grown diamond certification segment with a 65% share. By September 2024, IGI served over 7,500 customers in 10 countries, building strong ties with top jewelry brands. China, India, and the US dominated 74% of the jewelry market in 2023, with their share expected to reach 79% by 2028, driven by India's rapid growth. India's rising middle-class income boosts jewelry spending, and Western fashion trends are increasing demand for studded jewelry, projected to grow from 18% in 2023 to 25 to 30% by 2028. Lab-grown diamonds, priced 70 to 80% lower than natural diamonds, are gaining popularity. India, the largest diamond cutting hub, handled 95% of polished diamonds and led rough diamond imports in 2023. China and India produced 80% of lab-grown diamonds, while the US contributed 10%. Now let's look at the future outlook of the company. The global jewelry market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 3 to 6%. Within this, the gold jewelry market is projected to expand at a 5% CAGR, while diamond-studded jewelry is set to grow at a 6% CAGR. The diamond-studded jewelry market is expected to be a key growth driver for India's jewelry industry, with a projected CAGR of around 20% from 2023 to 2028. In India, the shift towards organized jewelry retail has been significant, growing from 2% in 2000 to 35% in 2023, as modern retailers have replaced traditional jewelers by offering better shopping experiences. And that wraps up today's analysis. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more research-based financial content. Don't forget to click the bell icon for alerts on potential multi-bagger stocks. Got a topic you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.